Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Nissan Rogue SV. This one's gray. Underneath there's a 2.5 inline 4-cylinder pushing out 170 horsepower. For wheels we've got 17-inch black alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black and gray cloth interior. Come around back. Rogue SV badging. This one does come with all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats. Also comes with a automatic car starter, keyless entry, blind spot assist, power windows, illuminated door sills, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, our media display, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, auxiliary and USB ports, automatic transmission, heated seats. This Nissan Rogue has 34,522 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Nissan Rogue SV, check out feldmanimports.com.